Hello, you need to pick this palette up. I don't even think that it's in the store anymore, but I did a review on it a very long time ago. But today we are going to be using this color right here. Very, very gorgeous aqua blue or whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and first, like this, I don't know, I'd recently be doing this, but I want to just firstly lightly pack it on top with a fluffy brush. Oh my god, I'm running out of breath. I feel like I haven't done this in a really long time, but it's okay, it's okay. I just want to get more into like makeup because that was my main reason why I started my channel. So if you guys are just clicking this by accident, please subscribe to my channel, please support me, because your girl here is not doing so good with YouTube. For some reason, every time I upload a bag review, that's when I get more views. Like my bag reviews get up to, what's the last one I did with my quilted Madison Coach bag? That one got 2,000 views, girl. What the hell? Oh my god, I can't buy a bag every single time. I don't have money, you know, like. And yeah, so it's gonna start looking like this. Very subtle blue or aqua blue, whatever it is. So it's gonna start looking like this. We're gonna go off camera, do the other side, and I'll be right back. Grab any palette that you guys have that have a bunch of glitters. Mine's have a bunch of glitters. We're gonna go ahead and use this little gold one right here, and we're just gonna add it in the corner. This is a really fast makeup that anyone can do. So we just go ahead and pack it right here. Oh my god, look at that, it's so gorgeous. It's freaking beautiful. I swear, I freaking love glitter. This one is specifically is freaking gorgeous. Like, hello. I don't know what else to do. Like, you know, like I want people to see my videos, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I literally posted it on TikTok and asked everybody, give me tips, give me like, you know, judge me, tell me what I'm doing wrong, what can I do to change it so you guys cannot be bored of me. Like, all the videos that I've done about makeup, they're not getting views, but yet at work I get a bunch of compliments. Why didn't you, they always tell me like, oh, you should have a YouTube channel, and I was like, okay, I got a YouTube channel, no one's supporting. Obviously the ones that are viewing my video, like what, 15 people, thank you so much for watching my videos. So there you go, you guys, it looks like this, very nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the wings. Like I said, I've not done this look before, so it's just coming out like out of my head. I feel like saying coming out of my, you know, the other stuff, but I don't know what I'm thinking. Anyways, yes, so we're gonna go ahead and do the wings. Like, I do have ink, so that's a regular line, so I'm just gonna focus on this side so, you know, I don't mess up. So what is a wing? Like a feathery wing. I don't know, dude. Okay. I'm just gonna go for it, right? Okay, yeah. So that's a wing, right? It looks more like a bat wing. Like, all right, whatever, we'll go with it. So yeah, and now we're just gonna fill it in or whatever. Fill it in. And it looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and do this. Try your best. Sometimes it's not easy, but we're gonna go ahead and try to attempt this on the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. Like I said, you guys, I have not done this look before. It kind of came out like a dark angel, so I guess we're gonna be like an evil angel. Is there such thing as that? I mean, it's Halloween, you could be anything. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of design to the wings. So I do have this white ink that I used last year when I did my look of Dia de los Muertos. So if you guys want me to do that again this year, I could. but please let me know. And if you guys are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, please. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the white stuff right here. That sounded wrong. And then I use this little tiny little pointy pen. You guys can see it. I don't know, it's like a really pointy pen. My camera is not that great. I mean, it's kind of okay, but I have like the old version of a Canon camera. But we're gonna go ahead and dip into the ink, and we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of design to the wings. So right now it looks really ugly, but don't worry, the white kind of like enhances it or something like that. I'm thinking of drawing just like a little bit of dots, maybe like little diamonds or something, you know. So I'm gonna add a dot to each little pointy little thing right here that I have. So I'm gonna add a little dot right here. No, it came out ugly. Oh no. Whatever's. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I kind of felt like I was wasting the ink, so I went around the eyeliner and I made it seem more like wings by adding a little bit of white. So this is how they turned out. Hopefully you guys like it. I know I didn't film the part where I was, you know, doing the wing. Like, it literally came to my mind like last minute and I wasn't filming. But yeah, so basically use the same ink if you have some. I think if you guys have a white eyeliner, it will work even better, or white gel, like that will work so much better. If you guys have it, go ahead and use it. I don't usually use this type of stuff, so I just do like basic makeup. But yeah, so I went ahead and just outlined the little, and I added two little featheries right here, trying to make it look like a better. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back.